So, are you a front-end engineer thinking about diving into backend? Do you have just that one piece of code that can't quite run in the browser, something dealing with secrets and APIs? Well, that's what Cloud Functions are for, my friend. You take a piece of JavaScript, run it on serverless, get a URL, and voila, you have a tiny server running on demand. But that's easy mode. Any tutorial can teach you that. And then you're stuck. You have a piece of code that you barely understand running on a platform that keeps you locked. What happens when you want to build a real backend? When you want to understand what's going on? Have opinions on REST versus GraphQL, NoSQL versus SQL, databases, queues, talk about performance, cost, data processing, deployment strategies, developer experience. It gets kind of crazy. And that's where the Serverless Handbook comes in. It's 360 pages for people like you getting into backend programming. If you want to understand backends, grok serverless, or just get a feel for modern backend development, this is the book for you. It's full of color illustrations like this, code you can try, and insights you can learn. But it's not a cookbook, and it's not a tutorial either. Yes, there's a couple tutorials in there to get you started, to show you how it fits together, but the focus is on high-level concepts, ideas, tactics, and mindsets that you need because every project is different. The Serverless Handbook takes you from your very first cloud function all the way to modern backend mastery. In the words of one early reader, Serverless Handbook taught me high-level topics. I don't like recipe courses, and these chapters help me to feel like I'm not a total noob anymore. The hand-drawn diagrams and high-level descriptions gave me the feeling that I don't have any critical knowledge gaps anymore. And that's exactly what the Serverless Handbook is about. Because if you can JavaScript, you can backend. And let's be honest, this is going to look great on your bookshelf.